Yes.
Crowd you met my
I
said them all.
And I had to expression to her. I took her out to worry. You see, to get you could do Amadaka golf. I didn't know Gamidaka. And I golf did like a mood. Yes. It's not a cheap sport. And golf the pool.
They say that Radicana barbecue football is bred by dogs.
Football is a game played by gentlemen and watched by hooligans. Rugby is a game played by hooligans and watched by hooligans. But golf is a game played by gentlemen and watched by gentlemen.
Golf is cut up.
They got up. Now, you don't go make a little. How do you know they have clubhouses?
Yes.
A clubhouse today. When I invited on a mayor body, and they get to get a decorum. Through clubhouse today. Ugedi clubhouse ya go of food muaku ere. Naring Tony silence today. They will escort you out.
Yada is a rabia. Go, Maguta.
Go, my dear, to the hello. Wait, get the quack of who? Odaiga, Demodaiga. Yeah, did I talk as a gorobu? Ah, Amy. Did I know Okonomosina? What you miss? Trocamovira. Excuse me. We don't call a captain. Excuse me, sir. This can come over here. Please, kindly we will request it. We don't allow that kind of it's decorum here. It's decorum. Golf club kila fikia members iri. Gotithia gona irato open. Ati wekire masodo Excuse me, we have some ground rules over here, please. We do not allow open shoes within the clubhouse. Kindly, please step up and step out and dress appropriately. We need you to dress appropriately, please, kindly. We have rules here and you all follow them. Na namegale wewe yora yatiri. Wadiko wakora masiesta tatu. Magavana tameri. MP tana.
The who is who?
Ono karigo oria oge agiu na watho cio nacio ni maurumireire. So who are you? You know,
who the hell do you think you are?
Yes, ona meri okuwiwa. Oh, I see you. Oh, that was quite some game. I really appreciated and you know the way we did 18 holes, you know. You know, you teed and it went off into the woods. And then the way you reclaimed it was quite remarkable, Mashinu. I'm really impressed. Even CEO here knows, you know, it went into the you know, the greens, all the greens, and it went into the water.
Language.
And you quite, I like the way you curled it up and brought it all the way. That was quite nice teeing off. It was incredible, especially recovering from the woods. It's never easy. That was like Tiger Woods. I really like it. And you even know which club to use for which, you know, which tee. That was quite incredible. I really have to say the dollar has quite, you know, this inflation. The dollar is now exchanging at what? Well, last time I checked, it was 146. But I think it should get better when we get the financial, the budgetary allocations for the fiscal year. Yes, where do your boy? Yeah.
Makioranagia you handicap what? No golf
handicap. Yes.
Handicap 21.
We are going to get talk again. Can I talk? I'm going to do like you. Oh boy, I was actually looking at you know, there's a thing about Brexit. Brexit actually affected the Scandinavian market one way or the other, and I have to say, you know, the euro. Hey, dear Aribo. Well, you go buy a Jiria quality, a car, and Ninya
Well, the background.
Yes. Okay, well, excuse me, where is my in-house DJ? Our in-house DJ, DJ or Ena
very sharp.
I go, young man. Oh, you know what's that can remember? It's the same man.
Okay.
A young man that's so good also that can pipe to music. A corner we can Huma sekela o Huma sekela kana wikira spirogyra area Mozart ithakire 159 B major na shoke wayo thiaga wite mudoshi wa piano atuguthire a tune or something no kigwa volume yo ri nira gutanga tondu we menyete kundu volume mutangiaraniria no cio mwena
do mo hivi
yes
go
no igoro man that was good thing be your handicap what no go koria puru no you are there la kori gasaba we
ruga ya ground
kaiwa ndagitari mbaya kiuga chunga mtego kiora ke iga white giro ba kiu
abana
ari cia mabati ma kiorore tha nawe tondu higire white yo quick expression stadia kwa gorofu uri we you ati mundu ya thimu ndogo witurira maica to maya tondu wakwa ni wona brother
ari wakarigia thi
expression ni cia ground iri gitu iria tuthiaga ari wakarigia thi mundu wa kawairimu
reke ureho guo na nja
kumbatiite nago guo kawairimu nderia kawairimu kafurora nayo ni kawaharire kafurora kawahari uragitia iri niki
turire
koria members club igua thing engineer shege
kafurora
engineer shege oh my goodness where's the quantity surveyor oh my goodness yes get a cocktail on me that's on me
kapio luga ya gepio
koria ground ituri enderio na gukurera nginya atonga
na nducokagia guoko man utengorana
tuthipĩkĩcie kwe mũthitwenderie kana tũthiĩ kũngĩ
una mawĩta
tirĩrĩ biribiri rĩa biribiri we na mbirũ
gũtinda kũrĩa wĩta no mũhaka ũmũbacĩrĩre
na kũrĩa ũguo golf club ndũigua mũndũ ũrauga ũrĩa ahana kĩmondo no ground itũ nĩigua ndĩna mbeca niĩ ndĩna mbia ciakwa mũtingĩnina tera ikire mũrandera who are you na mũndũ akĩhana nĩ mũgũtheca mbambora kamũhei mũthaki
nĩ kũritũrũra kũrĩa ũngĩaria ũguo ngwĩciria no
kũrĩa wĩigua
mathare ndaire
kũrĩa wĩigua atĩrĩrĩ Mheshimiwa, that was quite some deal. I understand you won the tender for the dam? Well, that was a small one, really. So just a small effort. It's a big one. They're paying 60 billion. 60 billion. I also I tendered for the extension of the Moyale Road. And apparently I'm in good books, so they should give me, that's around, I think, 180 billion. Which in the next 2 years I shall have completed the project.
Really bragging.
You are there. I got it out here, Caroli out, I hope they're
Okay, go ahead.